Okay, so originally I mentioned that I was going to take off this air box right here, but I think we got enough room to access the spark plugs, which 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, back in there. I had this off originally because I took off the air pump for the clean system. So I have already taken this off. Basically, in the driven kit, they give you the block offs, plus they give you a plug which blocks off the air box right here. So I have the plug installed right here. As you can see, that goes to the air box, and then I have the driven block offs. Here's one right here, and then another one over here. You guys all know where those are at. What I'm going to be installing now is a resistor in place of the air pump connection, so you don't throw an F1 light. So I've already made one of these. Just going to go ahead and plug it in. These are two 5-watt by 10 ohm resistors wired in parallel to make a 10-watt 20 ohm resistor. There you go, plugs right in there. You take a little electrical tape and we'll tape it in. Yeah, very simple. Now, the most difficult part about changing these spark plugs are the spark plugs near the frames. This one right here and the other one over here. Right there. Now the problem they're having is once you, I guess there's just not enough clearance, but I found a way where you can do it without taking the engine bolts off and dropping the engine. I guess they've explained that's one of the ways to do it, to access those particular plugs. But I found with the spark plug remover that's found in your tool kit that comes with the bike, you can actually do it without pulling out the engine bolts and dropping the engine. So we'll start with this plug right here. Basically, you just press on this clip and then pull out the connector that goes to that particular spark plug. And then what you want to do is work the spark plug stem out, and that way you can access your spark plug. Now, I found that these are a little bit difficult. Sometimes you can't, if they've been in there for a while, they're hard to pull out. I may not be able to do it by hand. I'll give it a try. It's tight. I'm having difficulty. See, what you need to do